Go get the popcorn, little dude.
Okay.
Oh, they're good popcorn. Popcorn is such an underrated snack. Hey, dog, you can't have any. You know what? I'm glad we decided to eat popcorn instead of fighting those girls. They're not very good shots anyway.
Okay, girls, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna ambush the boys while they're eating popcorn, okay? Good plan? Okay, girls team on 3. 1, 2, 3, girls team!
Get some popcorn, that was a good idea. You know, popcorn is really...
Everybody put your hands up, boys.
Yes.
Do you surrender?
Yes, we surrender.
Good job, girls. We're the winners. Oh, yeah. Fist
Guess what?
What?
We bought more popcorn at Costco. You want some popcorn, Millie?
If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload 1 video a week, and it's on Saturday.